I think we should do it with our hands. Give me some.
Okay, let's get mixing.
Hey, no.
Be careful, guys. Don't get it on your dress. Let me help you.
My hands are so hot that it's so sticky.
Let me help you roll your sleeves up high. Wait.
I can't do it that high.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Ow. Ow.
Okay, now you need a little bit of hair out of the way. So I'm gonna put this on you.
Hey!
Why?
No.
No? You don't want it? Okay, just be careful. Don't get hair on the dough.
Give me this one.
Here.
That one.
나는 어디도 하게.
아니, 반죽해서 줄게. I think this much should be going to this team. This much.
Do you think we need a little bit of oil or something? Nothing else?
No.
Okay, so according to the instructions, that's all we need.
일단 반죽을 해.
식용부, 물, 식용유, 반죽, 그릇, 주걱, 프라이팬. It's a hard headache to read.
식용유 프라이팬 들게 later.
Okay. Step 1. 덩근 반죽 그리에 온도를 맞춘 따뜻한 물 180 ml. 종이컵와 이스트를 넣어 후죽곡으로 골고루 저어주세요. 호떡을 0 프리믹스 1번을 넣고 주걱으로 부드럽게 약 50분 골고루 반죽.
Look at this.
Headache. Okay, basically just mix everything together in a bowl. 손을 식용유를 바른 후 반죽에 데워서 손바닥. Oh my god, you need some oil on your hand. 손에 식용유를 바른 oil. 손에 바른 후 반죽을 떼어서 손바닥에 넓게 펴고 잼믹스를
My hands became
hard to read. 넣고 주걱으로 부드럽게 약 5부터 10분.
I need oil, quick!
골고루. Okay, put oil on your hand. Basically, give me your hand. A
No,
little
I
bit
think
of oil.
I should just
조금만 시원하. 됐어?
Okay, rub it in.
rub it. Just rub it up there. I think I need some more.
Okay.
Still sticky.
See? You need to coat your hands in the oil. You need to make oily hands like this.
안 맞는다.
Can somebody help me? Drop this milk, please.
I help you. I can help you. Your hot hand. Oh, today's not so hot. That's a good thing. Okay.
Can I have some more oil? Cause
Here's a little bit of oil.
a lot of oil, I think.
Okay, so you take a piece of this,
Oh wow!
and then you make a little ball. Make a ball in your hand like this, kind of like a clay.
그만큼 하면 안 돼, 더 해야 돼.
일단 조금만.
And then you add some of this sauce, but powder.
It's still sticking.
Yeah, like this, and then you fold it over.
More oil, please.
It's like making a mandu.
No, mandu is a little bit not
so sticky?
Yeah.
That's right.
오!
Oh, good job. Show it to mommy.
But I think
Mommy,
But that is
look at
so
me.
뭐?
I made a hot dog. Here, Jenny's hot dog.
넣었어?
She did it and covered it. She pinched it.
I know how to
Okay.
do it, Leo.
Okay.
엄마나 이거 좀 벗으면 안 될까? Can I?
어떡해.
Yeah, that's a little bit too small. Maybe a little bit bigger, or else we're gonna make mini hot dogs. There.
이거 손에 안에 잡을게.
Oops.
안될 것 같은데.
Have to.
응.
앞치마, do you have an apron?
Wait, why did you put it in the oil? Oh.
Hmm?
She put the spoon in the oil.
Uh-oh. That's okay.
러스트 한 개만 더.
One more spoon, please. Okay, see? Like this. Roll it around. And then, okay, here. There.
엄마 쟁반 하나만.
Gonna go wash my hands now.